Have you ever been told, this deal won't last? Or, you'll miss the window if you wait? That's not education. That's pressure. Here's how to spot sneaky sales tactics some gold IRA reps use to push you into a rushed decision. During your consultation, listen for phrases like, you need to act now before prices go up. Or the second one, this offer is only good today. Or, everyone's getting in right now. Don't get left behind. These are classic pressure lines designed to trigger urgency, not clarity. Now, compare that to a real education first approach. You're given clear answers, no pushy language, and time to think it over. That's the kind of conversation you actually want. Want to make sure you're not being pressured into a bad deal? The free company comparison checklist helps you flag the most common sales tactics before you commit. I'll link it in the description below this video. When someone's pushing you to move fast, slow down. Check their motives. And grab the free checklist below this video. It will walk you through what a pressure-free experience should really look like.